Hey guys, Derek here, and in this video I'm going to give you 4 keys to creating your first affiliate marketing campaign, and I want to show you exactly what it is that we do and what we focus on when we build out new affiliate marketing campaigns. So first things first, a lot of times we as marketers will conjure up all these ideas in our head and all these markets that we could possibly go after, and we're sitting there wondering, okay, which is the best market to go after? Which avenue is the best avenue to take? Which is going to make the most money? And what happens a lot of times, that causes us to stall. And so what you're going to be better off doing is picking a niche, picking a market, and running with it. And these 4 keys hopefully will help you do just that. So here they are. So 1, you must have a knowledge and remotely like the topic that you're talking about. Here's the thing. You can hire out all the content, you can sub out all the work. However, if you're just starting out, you need to focus on something that you're passionate about and something that you like. Here's the deal. If you going into a market that you don't know anything about, then it's going to make it a lot harder to be able to succeed in that market. Now, I know people that have done that. I know people, there have been marketers that have went into these different markets and different niches, but those people typically are seasoned marketers and they've had experience and they've had a million other failures before they've done that. So the best thing to do is find a market that you have a knowledge about and that you're passionate about, and that's going to help you see your way through it. If you're passionate about it and you're excited about it, then you're not going to get bored with it. Also, if you have some knowledge about the project and you are relying on other people to create the content, then guess what? If they drop the ball, then you can step it up and you can make the changes that need to be made to keep the project running. As I said before, you're more inclined to see all the way through if this is something that you're excited about. Secondly, you must go into a market that has a passionate group with the ability to promote multiple items. Now, a lot of people will tell you that the key to having a successful business is to find a problem and then going out and solve it. Now, that's partially true, but what I want to do is I want to focus on people that want to continue growing, and that way we can promote multiple products to them along the way and build and nurture a list. Here's what I mean. You can find people online that are searching right now for curing hemorrhoids, and there's products that's on ClickBank, and there's all kinds of different products that are out there that you can promote. However, if you promote that, let's say somebody goes in and you promote that and they buy your guide and they download it, and then the product works and the hemorrhoids are gone and everything's good, right? But where does that customer go from there? Where does that customer go after that? How are you going to promote other items? It's going to be a lot tougher versus if you went into something like the fitness space. If you go into the fitness market, think about what all you can promote. You can promote diet plans, workout plans. You can promote pre-workout formulas. You can promote protein powders, all kinds of different types of supplements. You name it, you can promote it. And that's what I want to focus on, is something that we can continuously promote multiple items. Number 3, and this is very, very important, you must be able to advertise. Now, I know that sounds like a given, but here's the deal. What I want to do is I want to focus on markets that I can go into any ad platform and run ads on. I want to avoid any of the taboo topics. So for example, Facebook and YouTube and the major ad platforms are going to frown on anything related to casinos, any kind of adult niches, also any kind of vaping or e-cigs. Those are typically frowned upon as well. So what I want to do is I want to stay away from those markets, because if you're just building out an affiliate marketing website, then you are really limiting your traffic sources to just SEO if you're not able to advertise on any of the other ad platforms. Fourth and finally, I want to focus on markets that have recurring or big ticket purchases. What this is going to do, this is going to allow us to earn more revenue by just going into markets where we can find bigger ticket items, or where there's bigger commissions, or there's recurring commissions, because at the end of the day, we all want to be able to build something that will build out recurring revenue so we can get paid month in and month out. So if you enjoyed this video, then be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll be releasing new videos in the very near future. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you real soon.